my gosh, guys, you see that? Cannot see na all because it's already foggy. Foggy na talaga guys in Hong Kong, guys. Look, foggy and then raining. Hindi na guys makikita yung mga ano, even down. You can see it's very fog, too much fog. Look, oh, very fog. Even down, guys, you always see what is here, but now Hong Kong is already ano guys, that before guys, you see all of that guys, you see. Update tayo ngayon guys, update. Hong Kong is like this. You can't see guys, Hong Kong all covered of fog. Foggy day is April 5. Today is April 5. Look at that. So much fog. Update today, April 5 here in Hong Kong. Look at that guys. As you can see, always I upload video. You can see everything here. You can see all buildings. You can see all cars if they are in the road running, but now you didn't see. All is fog. If something happened in this world guys, the world is like this, is black. Oh my goodness, no one alive. Look at that. This is the view now. If the world is like this guys, my gosh.